Hello there. Welcome to our channel Tech World again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete a school account from your phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now in order to delete your Discord account from your phone, this is a very sad thing to do. They require only 2 or 3 steps, and not more than that, but there is a catch, and the catch is that you need to transfer all of your servers that you own to your friend or delete your servers. In this case, I have already transferred my ownership of my server from this account to my another account, so it will be easy for me to delete this account, but in your case, you will have to still transfer the ownership account, on which will indicate opposite on the top left corner of your phone. Just click there. God is called icon on the green label button. And you can see over here there are a bunch of options over here. And we don't need to go on these bunch of options more than we just need to click the My Account over here like this. And on the bottom of the page you can see the Delete Account of Sun. You just need to click there for deleting your account. Let's do it, and it will ask you for your password. And next, and delete. There you see guys, deleting your Discord account from the Discord app in your phone is this easy. If you have any confusions or comments or some things you want to ask me, don't hesitate to comment in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos again.